Wow. Wow, 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 wow. So cold. Damn. Whatever. Just go sleep. Don't mind me, okay? Don't look at me like that. Oh my god. He's just so cute. I cannot do the cuteness. Stop it. Okay guys, 안녕하세요 여러분. 안녕하십니까. Welcome back with me Raya with another reaction to Forestella. I'm so happy that I'm going to catch up and watch this video finally after, being delayed for 4 weeks. Honestly guys, they just like every week they came up with the new contents and I'm just trying so hard to catching up. Not to mention I haven't really got a chance to react to their older performances. There are still many performances and I don't know guys, I'm just like so many videos and so little time to react and to edit and everything. I'm so overwhelmed right now, but don't worry, I'm trying my best to react to all of them, even though maybe it's kind of late, it's not really up to date, but I hope you don't mind with that. But I'm trying my best here, okay? Especially this one though, this one I really need to see this one simply because first, like, come on, they sing in a cave, in the freaking cave, guys. They sing in the freaking cave. They sing in not only like a ordinary cave, but it's like a important place as well. It's like one of the World Heritage sites. Oh my god, it's one of the World Heritage sites in South Korea. This is a special performance for yeah, I think it's a World Natural Heritage. Wait a second. I don't know, but this is the place called Gimyeonggul Lava Tube or Gimyeongsagu, aka Snake Cave. Thanks Wikipedia for this information. So it has a history. There's an ancient history about snake living in that cave. So I'm okay, come on guys. Okay, yeah, and there's also history, a story about a judge named Lin Sushi who got killed by the snake in 1515. And yeah, after that event, the legend states the village was able to be in peace. Yeah, it was like a yearly sacrifice of a girl, but because people didn't make that offering to it, it caused a natural disaster. And there's now, by the entrance of the cave, a monument was established speaking highly of Mr. Lin Su. I'm reading the Wikipedia right now, okay? I just want to understand what's the deal with and what's the purpose of this performance. So yeah, it's a really important performance as well, and the song is the Unwritten Legend. That song, I remember I reacted to this song, this performance, but it was on the open concert one. I remember they're doing these animal voices. I reacted this like on October last year. So yeah, it's been quite a while. So it's nice to it's nice to see this again, and especially with with this location and everything. So you know what, I'm so freaking curious and intrigued right now to see this performance. It must be amazing. So this is getting too long. I'm just okay, let's just start this right away. Let's just watch this, let's enjoy this, and yeah, be blown away by Forestella and their amazing harmonization again. Here we go. Oh, wow. Okay. Let's go. I look at the faces. Come on, guys. What's up with the acting? Oh wow, they look like an angels, just falling from heaven. Wow. Okay, computer, please, please, please. Okay, what's up with this? What's up with this? Come on. Wow, this place is gorgeous. With that reverb effect, come on. It's like they're really singing in that cave with the echo and everything. Ooh.
살아왔는가 여긴 지금 어딘가 어릴 적 그대의 꿈들을
Wow, wow, okay, I love this drone shot right here.
소설이었나
Look at this view. Oh, come on, here we go. Hey, I love the time, by the way.
작은 새의 모습도 이 세상 오미움을 알게 하는데
Oh. Yep.
부질없는 그대 몸짓은 그 누구에게도 느낄 수 없게 해
Wow.
그대
I cannot. The landscape. How big. It looks like there's a snake living there, actually, yeah. I love this, you know. Two of them behind and two of them in front. Okay, go. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Can you believe it's all from their mouth, guys? Wow. Oh. Oh, I love that. I love that. Oh my god, that shot. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, this shot. That last shot. That last shot just. Oh my god, the chills. I cannot. I want to just replay that part. That last shot, just stunning. That long shot. Oh. Okay. This computer just. Here you go. Look at that. I see a bat there. Wow. That's so eerie actually. That looks eerie, scary, but awesome. Like I wanna go there. I wanna Come on, computer. Whew. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. I just simply just cannot deal with Forestella and all this performance anymore. Like after that Ari Dang alone induk to now this like someone from the legend, now this the Unwritten legend in okay I don't want to mispronounce it, Gimgyeonggul cave. It's like they are going places promoting South Korea really well. I mean, I know like this is also thanks to the company as well for making them doing all of these projects, you know. So I just like I'm happy for them for all these achievements. Again, I said in my reaction to Pita the Nations, like wow, perfect place to sing this song. Perfect everything, just like perfect team, perfect concept, perfect shoot, perfect cinematography, you know, perfect angle. I don't know, everything just so perfect. Especially their voices. Their voices are very perfect. I just literally just goosebumps from the beginning to the end. I love the jungly, I love the nature, I love the the free spirited vibe. I love the positivity, the bright, and when them wearing white like that. Yeah, they are like these four angels who just recently falling from the sky, falling from heaven, and just you know you know what I mean, right? Okay, and that place, I cannot. Just I actually got emotional towards the end. I actually like almost like crying again. I don't know why. I'm just like so. It's just like their voice just moved me, and then seeing them with smiling, seeing them looks happy, seeing them bring this joy, bring this positivity again. Like, oh my god, just so proud. I'm just so proud. I cannot. Seriously, come on, guys. What's next? Come on. I cannot wait to see them doing another song in another locations again. I like, come on, there. Thank you, KBS. Thank you so much, KBS. Thank you so much for the company. I forget the name of the newest company they are in right now. I forget that, but thank you for the company. Thank you for the KBS. I'm blown away. I'm so mesmerized. I'm so happy. That's all. As a fan, I'm just so happy. No words. This is just simply breathtaking and beautiful. That's it. Just simply beautiful. Yeah, that's it. Okay, guys, thank you guys so much. I'll see you on the next video. I'll see you guys on the next video as always, and don't forget to like if you like my reaction, and don't forget to subscribe, and please follow my channel, subscribe my channel for more reaction like this, and of course support Forestella always. Support these boys always. Okay, thank you guys so much. Have a nice day, everyone. God bless you. Annyeong. Bye bye. Annyeong giashiyo. 감사합니다. Bye bye, everyone. Peace, love, peace. God damn it.